those squirrels dug it. Oh. Oh, yes. How did I miss them?
Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that?
I don't know, Norrie.
It's worm.
Miranda jumped over there in the kitchen.
Oh dear. Have you swallowed your Uh-huh.
Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, that earth has given you hiccups, worm.
Rolly, that's not nice. You wouldn't like it if you got hiccups, Rolly.